welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I am Neha and today we will be talking about how to be productive during quarantine. So I know this video is coming up a bit later than it should have, but I think that's because it just took me a lot of time to actually get myself to start doing things and making the most of this time that we have been given during this global pandemic. And I remember I was just like lazing around all day, watching lots of Netflix and ordering a lot from Uber Eats. It personally took me a lot of time, and I want you all to know that it's okay to take your time. I know people all around you on social media, you can see everyone doing like 10 different things and learning like 10 different new skills, but it's okay to take your time. I took my time and now I think I feel pretty happy with the things that I'm doing. So yes, this video is all about what I have been up to in this quarantine, the different things actually you can think about doing and learning, and how to just get yourself out and do them. So the first one that I want to recommend to you guys is definitely picking up a new skill. I feel like having this time of being at home during this pandemic is just so precious, and um, we can honestly pick up a new skill and sort of work on it and learn while we have all this time being home. And for me, that had to be cooking, because literally a few months back, I was someone who could not cook. I was just so afraid of it all time. It was almost like science to me, and I was like, oh my god, I was never going to be able to do that. But I think I just started doing it. I started looking up recipes, and I think with YouTube and Instagram at our disposal, it's so easy, because like you can find easy to make recipes with like limited ingredients. And honestly, I have been able to save so much money just cooking at home and not eating outside. And it's pretty exciting to sort of try and cook everything that you like eating outside and spending money on. So yeah, I think this would be my recommended activity. So next up is working out. And I know a lot of us hate it. I absolutely hate it, not a big fan. But I think it really helps me to clear my mind and just sort of get my things in order and just feel good. And I feel so productive after working out that if I work out once a day, then I like just give myself a license to chill the rest of the day. I don't know if that's the case with you guys, but yeah, that's me. And my trick to this is just getting myself out here. Just get into your workout clothes and get yourself out. Just get yourself out, and I think once you are, it'll be pretty easy for you to just go along with it. The next up is getting some sort of work experience while you're spending all this time at home. I know because of COVID, the job market is not that well. There are not that many opportunities out there. But when it comes to unpaid internships, there are tons of them out there. I know it sucks to work for free, but I mean, this is the situation and we've got to make the best of it. Especially if you're in college, I think this is a great time to sort of work with different companies. It's a great time to sort of reach out to people on LinkedIn and start building a network. I found my both my internships through LinkedIn, and my experience has been so great. And who knows, these might even turn into like full-time job opportunities. So I think like there's nothing wrong in trying. And if you're someone who feels like you have time out of your other commitments, or like if you're not doing anything, I think this is a great way to sort of make good use of your time. Next up is my personal favorite, reconnecting with our old friends, distant family, exes. Whatever. This has been a great few months where I have been able to connect with people who I haven't spoken to in a while, like quite a while. And it's just so good to catch up, like see where they are in their life right now, what have they been up to, like you never know, you get some sort of motivation, and it just feels good to sort of connect with your old friends. I absolutely love it. And also, since I'm so far away from home, it's a great way to sort of not feel lonely and like get depressed. I feel like just connecting with people makes me feel like I'm still sane. It helps me to sort of not let this whole pandemic situation get to me that bad. Also makes me feel like, yeah, I do have a support system, and it's good to reconnect with people, I feel. Thank you so much for watching that. If you think this was helpful to you and you enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button down below, and also share and like this video. It only motivates and encourages me to make more content for you guys. Thank you so much, and until next time.